good, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you my favorite beach here in Stuart, Florida, called Tiger Shores Beach. It's very, I don't want to say secluded necessarily, but it's definitely not crowded, not nowhere near like a Fort Lauderdale, a Miami, a Daytona Beach, anything like that. This is it's a hidden away gem that I come just about every weekend, to be honest with you. So let's go. I want to show you guys. Plenty of room for you to sit here, set up camp, cabana, tent, chairs, whatever you want. Super nice. So I'm gonna go set up. I love coming to this beach. I don't know if you can see, it has a nice little drop off, like right down there, a little drop off. So you're sitting above, kind of perched above the actual sea, the actual ocean. It's kind of nice. It's a little dirty today, to be honest with you. Normally it's not like this. The water here on close to the shore is a little bit murky with some seaweed or whatever, but you know, you're in Florida. What do you expect? But again, generally it's not like this. It's super nice. A lot of times I come here, it's even super calm. I was here last week, and there would be a wave every, you know, say 30 seconds to 45 seconds, not like it is now. So it's very calm normally. Very nice. A nice stretch of beach. Come here, relax. You can bring your dogs here. Smoke a cigar, bring a cooler with beer. Nobody's going to say a word to you. It's amazing. And this is why we live in Florida.